Well, hi, I'm Gabrielle, I'm 15, I'm from Paris.
I'm Eloise, I'm 15 and I'm also from Paris.
We're doing a fashion design and styling course. So basically we're introduced to many types of different ways to learn about fashion, to design.
For me, the really fun part is making the dress and designing it. Also designing the background, and it was really cool.
Yeah, I really liked making the actual project, so all the research part was fun, but I really liked doing the concrete thing, like the dress and the background and like what it relates to our mood board, and really like finding ideas to inspire ourselves, and also like the fact that everyone is giving ideas. It's really like nice to work in a team.
Yeah, it was really good. I learned plenty of stuff, and the best part is that you're with people that actually like have the same interests as you. So
yeah,
it's really fun because you can talk about stuff that you like with people.
Yeah, and there's like no wrong answer. I mean, strange, unusual. I mean, it doesn't exist. It's like always you're continuing and creating what like you think is nice, and it's constantly evolving and always changing.